Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue buttercream. We'll cover the two popular methods, Swiss and Italian, and discuss the essential ingredients you'll need. Understanding the basics of these techniques will set you up for success. We'll also touch on the importance of temperature control, a crucial element for achieving that perfect, stable consistency. Get ready to elevate your baking with this versatile and delicious frosting. First, let's dive into Swiss meringue buttercream. You'll gently heat egg whites and granulated sugar over a double boiler, stirring constantly until the mixture reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This pasteurization step is key. Then, whip this warm mixture until it forms a beautiful, stiff, and glossy meringue. Finally, gradually incorporate softened, unsalted butter, piece by piece, until your buttercream is wonderfully smooth and light. It's a truly delightful process. Now, for Italian meringue buttercream, we start by cooking a sugar syrup. Combine granulated sugar and water, heating it to a precise 240 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's cooking, whip your egg whites to soft peaks. Then, carefully and slowly pour the hot sugar syrup into the whipping egg whites in a steady stream. Continue whipping until the meringue is completely cool and forms stiff, shiny peaks. Lastly, beat in your softened butter until it transforms into a silky, stable buttercream. To ensure your meringue buttercream is perfect every time, remember a few key tips. Always start with impeccably clean, grease-free equipment. Even a tiny bit of fat can ruin your meringue. If your buttercream seems too soft, a quick chill in the refrigerator for 15 minutes can help. Conversely, if it's too stiff, a few seconds over a warm water bath will loosen it. You can store this delicious frosting in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks in the fridge, or freeze it for several months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.